na no dom mesra wo bi mo ya menyen mfansefo je lost sanka if masem wo be bi am all the makan
ona na aka na
mo majina na maje maru ko na masan na madam kwan
yo
fa onye yewa
oye yo te bi de o answer na boko no mama one history answer na boko no mama one history na let me bring the next caller enyim there NDC so ban there war for vice president wa fam fancy for more than any other party
maka wasam khoro
Mr. NDC wa for vice president from central region than any other party, but they can never bring with development to central region people. Yes, no, yes, sorry. Go and vote for them because we are scientists.
And the baby, mamma, and no don't want it at a mess of coffee. In Princeton and go on what to chief 1 year, would you go for paying the warning that? I mentioned, I'm here, oh, pack of what you want, I could find the Chawa, Mawal, Novita, Hawaii, oh, fine. No, I'll be a crab channel. Why then I watch William Van Spima?
Kukwani do no.
Kukwani the whole. And the Kukwani the whole Okan who's who sometimes if one time wondering one day, the NDC for what the baby way Magana, no way I go what the baby way whatever, and then on fancy far. One share at a miss you. No, one was at a miss for the video wasn't watching.
On
Mr. Day. What's it? Baby that I didn't move. My parent catch someone in the infancy from one cut of my side, one cut of my sin there. But penny of friend, not some years, someone NDC for fancy far. NDC for a woman bright, more to about it here and a offer the noise and people for. Way too much fancy phone. Mention fancy for you to engage Yanando. Let's say, NDC for baby, and now. Your papa, what friend at the mesa, or the year president to cry. You go to Yanina, then Yanina at the papa no. One should be NDC for what you did, what you know, Cocky. Punching one in Chin and Coco.
One was in a
walk up a pain of the toilet.
No.
The same Akufadi, not 1 year. Would you die for ye Monday and fancy now to watch her walk away? Next, what? No, what trouble? No, damn, and this is Fugima. I tell you, the woman about punishing young panther for on a line, to Makai.
That's not your course, no doors, but Munina, Ubia Bebem, Ubia Bebem, Ubia Macasima,
Hello.
Yes, I'm a patch.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm patch. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm patch on me until
you. You put it in a make the Kuto, yo. What can I say? One in the year program over no
Daniel. Hey. Mahu.
Make you ask mercy at them. What can I say that one in your program be a program to
people to even categorize you. Which one will be a no, your penny A plus, no, your penny Abraham, no, your penny Captain Smart, Grandpa. I've sent this on the Guinica Cano, but I can say across your oh, one of them on Pano Quench, I can't move Jimino. Was circumstance will be a and will be a banner penny, which the generals of Umia Bar, Bana, or Twitter and Caljon, or two phones too, so now they're with the work a sacramento and in our camp. Okay, can't still be brain here, or that's a when you guys just some of you just want to come live, just to come and talk for people to watch you. Charlie, Ghana pass the oh, Charlie. The nation can never be built based on this mere and stupidity of some of the youth. The Munya Sadman across Ghana, and a young guy before Funa, no, yeah, Kufodo, no, yeah, Bawa, Mahama, no, yeah, way, no, yeah, NDC, no, yeah, NPP. Charlie, you guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government. You guys want to depend on the government to give you a job. Fine, there are certain things the government must do. They must fix the roads. Fine. That one definitely no. And any business never. The government must fix the roads.
And then the training bitch.
The government must fix the roads. We understand that. They must fix the security system. Kromo say you make America 10 to 15% per NIA government via public via. Nyaka individuals and companies they set it up. We can do the same thing in our nation Ghana. Ghana for more America, more Germany, more together. Now more set up something. More can be you among Ghana. Ghana for good also. There's no country much to Ghana for you. Ghana for baby Ghanaians are everywhere. We can do that. We can build a nation ourselves. We don't have to wait for any political party. We give this party 4, 5 years, 8 years on by. We feel like they're disappointing us. Then we wait for the next one to come. The same method. But by the time we realize, no, we will not be able to achieve our aims. So, we catch on September. No, Murphy. So, and she's saying so. So the Munyai, because my first year, no, Japan, but so. And then the idea said most of you claim to be Christians. Most of you also claim to be Muslims. I only pass a Quran actually say menye penny bupani. I only say Bible actually say menye penny bupani. But because of politics, it's more be politics, be some more politics. Be abusing Ghana, be abusing Africa. And I'm more politics like Jimmy Musa, youth amoba. When I'm saying future generation, future leaders. Everything I'm what they no. But be a phone now, no penny. They just take their phones, they come live, number live. It's very funny. They have people following you, whatever you guys are saying. Then I have a crow man. And then you are sending Jimmy Samuel. And then you are sending Jimmy Samuel. Now, oh, can you say, man, I say about online? No, no, man, I see a comment. To say, Jimmy say, Jimmy. If you're going through hardship, must you come out this way? Say, yeah, you might we school young, you know, or your banner, a banner, be beer buying. The cockans almost saying to but you're honey, Casa, Yemetragana. Jimmy Sam say, yeah, and August will be able to come America, has here, Nippon buy because of a hardship now. Some of us say, wow, you were Jimo Ghana for you. Yes, I'm so school, yes, even though it's you know, we are citizens, so, but we don't plan to stay here. You plan to about town Ghana. And Chadia is upon and yes, you swing idea be a normal air common. You swing near Ghana, you buy a terrible man. The Benamo Mobacrum was here. The Moon must be to say, Moon Ghana who be. Some of you come here, you don't think about Ghana again, you just want to live your life. You just want to have your house be in Ghana and your car, you can't pass it. You don't plan to go school. You probably remember Monco school, Jimmy Sam, and I come on. Me say, Skebia. Sir, allowances here. They my first ladies, first and second lady. I did order that. And then, Lord, Madam Lodina Mahama or GB. Emma Becky, or also GB. And nobody can go and tell them so be a refund this canoe. And then more you guys should speak to your MPs to go and make sure that they will stand against the Constitution. Now I'm making amendments because the law provides that for them. Our Constitution says a moment allowances. And just we're so naive, that's what we need factor. Don't just take a phone and come and sell Ghana in a very bad way to people. Say, oh man, Ghana no, leave this kind of mom with Jimmy Sam. Yeah, my wife, and then by force, say on refund this can be what dear.